sunny southeast, as they call it. So what else is inside? It's Rode Wireless Go version 2. When it's way far. Oh, hello. Today is not about us being on the paper or something like that. Today is about being wireless. So what are we waiting for? Let's go unboxing. Oh wow, nice. Okay, it comes with these dead cats. Let me show you. 1, 2, 3. Just to show you the receiver, it has clip. Why do we need these? So when you're actually filming outside or recording outdoor, it will be better to put them on. So I'm not sure if they work really well, but they are there for a reason. You attach the dead cat onto the transmitter by connecting the dots. Okay, let me try. So dot to dot, then twist. So that's how it looks like. Let me just show you that. That's how it looks like with the dead cat. I just turned on the transmitter there, first one. As I'm talking, it's probably, oh yeah, it's moving there. Testing. Is it working? Oh wow, that's good. Let me try to clip this on so you'll have the perspective. So there you go. As you can see, it's working. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now I have both on. So the left and right, I don't know which one is left and which one is right. The indicator says 1 and 2, so it doesn't matter really. As far as I know, when you put them on the editing software, you have more options to edit your audio. So far, I'm very happy with this Rode Wireless Go version 2. How about checking out how this really works?
It's Corona! It's Corona! You have Corona! I am Corona! No!
I may insist, but I'll overcome, 'cause I'm an optimist.
It's beautiful in the sunny southeast. Today we're gonna find out how far can we go with this Rode Wireless Go version 2. We're lucky today that I have my crew. What's up, crew? They're gonna help me out in the testing of this wireless.
He's not gonna do anything.
Is it not? Oh my goodness. Okay, we'll have the test over here. We should be okay. The weather condition at the moment, it's kind of windy. Suddenly for some reason it's gone windy, but it's a good way to test this Rode Wireless Go version 2. Probably at the moment you're kind of, you know, hearing the sound, the wind, because I'm using this GoPro at the moment, filming myself and the view. Right. Hopefully by listening to this audio, you'll be able to judge whether the Rode Wireless Go version 2 is for you. For the setup, we have this Sony a7 III mounted on a tripod, and I'll be using the Beats for listening. Okay, so guys, we have two mics here, two transmitters, and the receiver is attached here. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this on now. Okay, right guys, I'll turn this on. It says there, is it turning on? I have to press it a little bit longer, I'd say. There you go. Rode Wireless Go 2 is turning on. Okay. Now, what's next? We'll be turning this on, okay? So to turn this on, just press it a bit longer. Okay, and wait until the light turns on. The blue lights will okay, just like that. Okay, are you ready for the instructions, guys?
Yes.
Perfect. Yeah, so what you need to do is go to a certain distance. Hang on now, hang on. And I just want you to speak, okay? When you're speaking on it, just a bit like that, okay? Right? Okay, we have the Sony Alpha 3 turned on now, and everything is connected, even the monitoring the headphone. I have the Beats headphone connected. Now, next thing would be for the lads to go and test the range of the audio. How far can it pick up? Okay, so if we are ready, everyone's ready. Okay, right guys, okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, you'll be counting, okay? Okay, ready and go.
Hello guys, Mike 1 and we're gonna start counting our steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
Mike 2, I'm also gonna count my steps. A haindig, a doyig, a treeig, a caharig, coogdig, a shaydig, a shockdig, a hookdig, a naydig, a fiha.
Hello guys, Mike 1 again. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30.
Mike 2 again. 1, 2, wait no, 30, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40.
Mike 1, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Mike 2 again. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60.
Mike 1, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70.
Mike 2 again. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80.
Mike 1, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90.
Mike 2 again. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
There seems to be kind of a cutting from 80 above, so probably depends on, yeah, I can still hear them. They're about 100 steps away from the actual receiver. Well, I'm sure they can still go up to like 150 or even 200 steps, but depending on the situation, let's say, or depending on the weather, you know. But anyway, at least you'll be able, I mean, you've listened to it, and it's up to you to decide. I'm sure this is a really good upgrade for your wireless system when it comes to audio. Okay, and hopefully you enjoyed our kind of a mini testing. Good luck. Okay, thank you very much for watching.